we just slide tonight. You know you wanna turn up, I can make you feel right all night. Tell me if you feel what I'm feeling, don't be scared. Turn up. We ain't gotta rush, we can slow it down.
YouTube, this your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, sweetie squad, what's up, my lovies? Happy Tuesday, happy Taco Tuesday, happy Taco Tuesday. Yes, so I'm about to upload this video. I cannot wait to do this video. It's been a long time coming, and then I'm gonna go have me some tacos and some margaritas with my girl. But anyways, guys, real quick, I just want to tell you guys that this is a giveaway video. It is. I'm going to explain to you guys what the giveaway is, and no, it's not makeup. So you guys are going to definitely want to stay tuned and watch this whole video so you see how to enter to win. Now, I just want to remind everybody real quick, if you guys are new to the YouTube channel, what's up? I'm your girl Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit that subscription button below. Give it a click right here. Ring a ding 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 that bell. Turn your post notifications on. Why? Because I do giveaways, and right now I have a Valentine's Day giveaway going on. It's going all the way through the month of February, so definitely get your entries in. I will leave that link in the description box below, and let me know what sign you are in that video. A lot of people are getting it confused, and they're putting their sign in my Jeffree Star video. When I announced, I brought up the giveaway, but no, the giveaway video is the Valentine's Day giveaway video, and you have to put your sign, your zodiac sign, in that comment section to be entered to win. Also, follow your girl on Instagram at SamanthaSweets100, and let's get into this video. Okay, so real quick, I just want to say thank you to everyone that's been buying the merch. It has been selling. I love it so much. And then you guys are like, Samantha Sweets, I wish you did tank tops. And I was like, you know what? I wish I did tank tops too. So I'm going to give my marketing manager and see if we can do that. I'm sure we can. I'm not trying to like go crazy with merch right now because I don't know exactly how it, in the end, and I do have to pay every time I get something created. I have to pay my marketing manager. So right now we have this, but we have a new product. So as you guys wanted the Halloween look in the purple and gold and orange hoodies that say Sweetie Squad, it is up there. It's under Extra Sweet. So you guys can get your Extra Sweet hoodies. Now, there is one that was created over the weekend, and it says Samantha Sweets in big bubble letters. Those are actually a little bit more affordable. I didn't choose the prices. Like I said, this is just what she did, and it's a lot less stressful for me to have to be able to choose all that stuff. So she went ahead and did that, but I promise the next time when we do the next tier, which hopefully will be my birthday in June, I will be having more affordable prices. We did talk about this and how people, some people thought that it was a little expensive, but other people were like, no, I understand. You got to pay this and you got to do this and you got to make some type of, whatever. Anyways, so I have for you guys right now a jewelry PR haul. This was announced in November. I want to say I announced this in November. It's been a long time coming. The company is out of New York. So I guess it took a while to get to me, honestly, but they have to obviously create it. So this is so near and dear to my heart. It means so much to me. As you guys know, I love jewelry, and for someone to have reached out and seen me and wanted to make a piece for me meant so much to me. So I'm going to show you guys the pieces and then what I'm giving away. But real quick, I just want to show everybody, this is my eye look for the day. Now, I did have an eye look similar to this on my live last night, which you guys had so much fun. I cannot wait till the Buffy the Vampire Slayer trivia book comes in. And you guys have been asking for a Buffy haul. Yes, I will be, as soon as everything comes in, I will be doing a Buffy haul. So I used the Blue Moon palette because I love the Blue Moon palette. But yesterday, I used the BH Cosmetics in Gnarly. This one right here. It does look a little similar, but it's not as glittery. So today I have on my Pixie by Petra in Lagoon, and I love it. And it just, so glittery and so sparkly, and it matches my hoodie strings perfectly. Ooh, look at that. Woo! Blind you. All right, so are you guys ready? Because I'm so excited to show this. I have not worn any of the pieces except one pair of earrings. Okay, I've only wore one pair of earrings. Sorry about that, guys. It was my girlfriend, and she's going to wait in the living room while I finish up this video. Okay, so like I said, this is the look that I did today, and I'm so excited. Anyways, so the jewelry is a long time coming. It is from a company called Beceff, okay? I'm going to put their link in the description box below. I am so excited. I have a code for you guys as well to use. And this jewelry is so pretty. So as you guys know, I wear my Samantha necklace all the time. My Samantha nameplate that I've had since I was 12 years old. I love it so much. It's in the jewelry because Nala broke it a second time. So it's in the jewelry shop, but it will be ready, I think today or tomorrow. So I'm so excited to pick it up. But they recognized it and they saw that I wear nameplates. So they asked me if they could make my own nameplate. And I was just over the moon. So I'm going to show you guys. Wait, nope. I got all these jewelry bags. Ta-da! I've not worn it yet. Nothing. There's the company right there, Beceff. And here is the nameplate they made for me. So I am so excited. Oh my gosh, it's absolutely beautiful. And I love the case. See, you have to push, and open. So this is how it comes. Look at how sparkly it is. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So that's it. This is my chain, my nameplate. Oh my God, I cannot wait to wear it. It looks, oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm about to put this on actually like right now because, oh my God, it's gorgeous. I have to put this on. Uh-oh. Sure it's on the link and not the thing. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Okay, so that is the first thing they created for me, okay? So along with that, they were like, Samantha, would you be interested in the matching earrings? And I was like, of course, I'm not going to say no. So thank you, Beceff, for making this and sending this to me. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, oh my gosh. Okay, and then they went ahead and said they want to make earrings. Now, obviously, with having a gold nameplate, you would want gold earrings to match it. So they sent me these, okay? And they say sweets, because I'm Samantha Sweets, okay? But, okay, it's not gold. It's silver. And I love the diamonds. I'm very appreciative of it. You know, I do wear silver from time to time, but obviously I wanted it to match. So we went ahead and they were like, okay, I do apologize. Let me go ahead and send you out another one. So this was now, it's becoming now December, okay? And it was time for them to send me the next pair. So I was like, okay, cool, no problem. But I'm trying to, these things, if you travel with these, you ain't got to worry about your jewelry getting messed up because these things hold it, honey. They're not going nowhere. Okay, so they went ahead and sent it. And sent the same pair. So I have two of the silver. So you will, one of y'all, will be winning your very own Sweets earrings. I'm so excited that I could do this. I asked them if it was okay for me to do a giveaway, and they said it was fine, obviously, because I have duplicate, and one of you guys are going to love this, especially if you got the Sweetie Squad. You know what I mean? Merch. You'll have this, you know, I'm not saying you have to have that to win this, but I'm just saying, you know, all entries are in. So I have two of these. So obviously, they were like, oh my God, we're so sorry. Let's go ahead and get you out the proper earrings. So instead, they decided to make them actual Samantha Sweets earrings. And I want to know what you guys think because I have mixed reviews. But then I'm like, okay, no, never mind. I love them. So, you know, this says Samantha, so you would think the earrings would say Sweets. But they went ahead and made me my own Samantha Sweets earrings. So the only thing is bad is that the you know, obviously my name's 8 letters. So Samantha's right here and then Sweets is right here. It looks a little bit bigger. Like, you know what I mean? Like obviously the words, this is smaller words to these words. So that's the only thing, but it's so unique because nobody has earrings like this, obviously. So Samantha Sweets, I think that's so cool. And I'm so happy for them doing this for me. So again, Beceff, thank you so much for collaborating with me. I hope that we do more in the future. This means so much to me if I haven't stated over and over and over again. I absolutely love jewelry. I love personalized jewelry. As you know, I also have my name on my ring right here, Samantha. And then I also have a bracelet, but that's from a different company. So, what was another thing I want to say? Oh, and then as you guys see, the diamond, this matches like absolutely perfect with this right here. So I definitely will be working with them again, hopefully, or I'll just be buying stuff from them because, I mean, it's good stuff, really good stuff. So obviously now you guys probably want to know how you could win your own. I'll tell you. So basically, I want to know in the comments section below, what is your favorite type of jewelry? What is your favorite type? Mine obviously is necklaces. I feel honestly naked if I don't have a necklace on. I have to have some type of a necklace on. So mine is a necklace. I know a lot of you guys are going to say your wedding ring. A lot of you guys are probably going to say earrings because some people feel naked without earrings. I know I do too, but obviously a necklace is way worse. Anklet. I have a gold anklet that I've had forever. I want to know what is your favorite, meaning, okay, something you couldn't live without. So maybe it's a brooch that your grandmother gave you. Maybe it's a pocket watch that your grandfather gave you. Some type of jewelry that means so much to you. So mine is my nameplate that says Samantha, not this one. This one's awesome, but obviously it's my Samantha nameplate that I got from my mother and my father when I was a little girl and I was 12 years old. And I've had that forever and ever it will be. So that is my favorite. I want to know what is yours, and that's how you enter to win. Also, make sure you are subscribed. Make sure that you have that bell turned on because you never know when your girl's going to do a surprise giveaway. And so you're notified when I post my videos. Follow your girl on Instagram at SamanthaSweets100. I do giveaways over there as well. And if you like giggles, I do TikToks at SamanthaSweets100. So I know this is a total different kind of giveaway. This is a surprise giveaway. I didn't even talk about this at all because I like surprising you guys. I like you guys knowing there's always going to be something new and improved with Samantha Sweets. So I hope you guys are excited for the giveaway. Will it be just the earrings? No. I will honestly probably put in like a face mask or maybe I'll find some more jewelry and put it. I don't know exactly just yet. This is not going to be announced. The giveaway starts today and I'm announcing the winners on March 10th. So go ahead and get your entries in. I'm not exactly sure what's going to go with it, honestly. Probably maybe like a makeup bag or something with something in there. Maybe like a liquid eyeshadow, the earrings, and a face mask or something, and a lip gloss. I don't know, but it won't be just the earrings. But obviously, those are so cool. You have your own Sweets earrings, and they don't even have to resemble Sweets for Samantha Sweets. They can be just resembling because you feel your Sweets. Okay, so there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this giveaway. Let me know. Give this video a big thumbs up if you're excited for it. And I will see you guys on my next video. I'm about to go enjoy me some margaritas and tacos, laco tacos. I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, stay beautiful, stay blessed. I'm your girl, Samantha Sweets. I love you guys so much. Bye.
Tonight, you know you wanna turn up, I can make you feel right.